Well, good morning everyone once again. Beautiful day. Very cold morning. It's about 4 degrees and my visor is perfectly clear because of my WePro installation. Magnificent. Now today I have been nominated to do the 3R challenge. And the 3R challenge is 3 reasons why you ride the bike you ride. Now, whoever follows my channel will know now that I ride the Honda Hornet or the 919. Why do I love it? 3 reasons, and number one probably is the looks. These aren't in order, but one of the reasons I love this bike is the looks. Old school looks, big round headlights, naked. You can see the bike. I do like that in a bike. And I think it's got looks that are going to be popular for some time still, although this is a very old bike and they haven't been made for many years now. But this was the last year they were made, 2007. What's number 2 reason? I don't get any aches after riding this bike. I'm very comfortable on it. I have added the risers that have brought the handlebars up and toward me, and I'm very upright, and because I'm an old fella and do have a bit of a dicky back, it helps enormously. Number 3 reason why do I like this bike? The power. When you open up the throttle, it's got a lot of power. I mean, there are a lot quicker bikes on the road, but this is more than enough power for me. 110 horsepower, 92 newton meters of torque. I've ridden bikes that are a lot of fun that have 47 horsepower, like my old GS500. So this is more than enough for my needs. So they're the 3 main reasons: the looks, I'm comfortable on it, and the power. Would I get a different bike if I was in a different situation and had lots and lots of money? Yes, I probably would, but I don't, so I'm happy with what I've got. Really, the motorbike for me, it's not my main mode of transport. It's my fun, it's my toy, it's my relaxation. So I'm not going to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a new bike, which I'd love to do, but I still have 3 kids and a wife, and they're my priorities, really. And I'm doing this 3R challenge because Tony in Tasmania nominated me. So Tony, thank you. Very short video. I really appreciate the nomination, and if you have time, go and have a look at Tony in Tasmania's channel. Nice fellow. Another great Aussie. and doing good stuff. So if you've got the time, go and check out his channel, and if you like his stuff, give him a sub. Who would I nominate? Listen, really, there's probably, I'm not sure who I'd nominate, but 3 people that come to mind, and you may have done this challenge, and if you have, or if you've got challenges that you're already involved in, don't feel obligated. But who I would pick would probably be Paddy Outback. Fantastic fellow living up in Queensland there. He rides a V-Strom 650. One of the new V-Strom 650s. Great bike. Then someone I really love to watch is Hippo Drones. He's a funny fellow. I love that fellow. He's got he's got a great channel. Some great bikes. He's got a Motor Guzzi. I think he's got a Street Triple. I think he's got a couple of others. But yeah, fantastic fellow as well. Take the time to go and see him. And one of my all-time favourites, I'm picking him because he has a Hornet 900, is Steve Hornet 900. If you want to do these challenges, go for it. But if you're not up to it, that's fine. And the other person I'm going to nominate is Old Man Tony. Spectacular fella. Alright, short and sweet, and I'll see you on the road next time.